This is the O'Brien topper. Just goes straight on top of the star picket, just like this. Sits on. Line it up, push it down like that. These extra holes in it are for actually tying it down in bad terrain or rough terrain or windy, because it actually will slide up, just to protect the horse a little bit more. Okay, what we'll do now is run our tape across the top of our star pickets. Here's our tape here we used before. I've actually tied an end insulator to the strainer post already, so I'm just going to tie this off. Okay, we're just going to run this across the paddock now. We've got 2 clips on here. We can use it for a tape in this way, just like that, or we can go to the next one. We can go directly on top like that. Last one across the paddock. We'll come up here to our end insulator we've tied off already earlier. To make sure we've got enough there. Just like so. Through the end insulator. Now keep it nice and taut, just hand tight. Just like that, and tie it off. Any dagger bits out the way, just like that. Okay, now we'll connect an Energiser up to it. Just connecting up our 17110. Here's our earth again in the ground, just like so, and just connect it up to our tape just like that, and our horse fence is electrified.